dreamed of having such an incredible experience like I have this last week. From planting rice in the muddy rice fields to fishing for sea bass in the Mediterranean Sea. Woo! We have lunch! From cooking with old Catalan grandmothers, traditional recipes. All these things have been so incredibly unique and so special. The smell of this place, it smells like a farm. Hey little guys! Bon profit! Adeu! Right behind me, we have the rice fields, and we're actually here for the Rice Planting Festival, which is celebrating the old traditional way of planting rice, which was done by hand up until the 1970s. You know, when you go to a supermarket and you just buy a product straight off the shelf and you don't really understand what the process was like or where it really comes from. So next time I buy rice at the supermarket, I'll think of this. And now I'm really hungry to eat some rice. We're making a paella, my favorite Spanish dish. Yes. Being part of the process of creating a dish like this, from planting the rice and then getting in the kitchen, just means that when you eat it, you appreciate it so much more. We now get to taste this incredible rice, and all the hard work will pay off. It's a thumbs up from me. What's so special about this dish in front of me is that this sea bass only a few hours ago was caught by me. I can feel something nibbling. And we're gonna make lunch out of this. And it's been brought back to land. The best way to scale a fish is actually to take it by its eyeballs. Filleted the fish. So his octopus tattoo starts here and it goes all the way around his back. Now to taste it. Nothing tastes better than when you catch the fish yourself. It's really, really, really delicious. We're going to go to the mussel beds to taste some fresh mussels and oysters.
No se puede más.
This is the life. About 15 minutes ago, we pulled these up from the mussel bed, and now we're going to eat them. So they're very, very fresh. We pulled them up ourselves. Here we go. Beautiful. These things have been so incredible. I could never have imagined doing these things in my lifetime.